Mr. Daniels, do you have the registration for the 2015 Chrysler?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right. I have to advise him whether he wants a trial or plead guilty today, Judge, on George Daniels. He zoomed back in.
Mr. Daniels, you have two options, sir. You can either make admission or you can set this for a trial, which could either be a bench trial or a jury trial.
No, I'm guilty.
Okay. Okay, it's in proper place. All right, we'll start calling cases. This is the People versus Juwan Roberts. Unmute yourself, Mr. Roberts. And everyone, when I say please say your names for the record, let Ms. Robinson state her name first. Then you can say your name. This person, Juwan Roberts, ticket number SP 1086499, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Juwan Roberts. Sir, please state your name.
Juwan Roberts.
And Judge, Mr. Roberts would be pleading guilty to failure to display, dismiss the balance.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Roberts. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Going to direct your attention to May 23rd, 2020 at 6:33 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Jefferson and Connor in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2003 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
You driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Satisfied.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission to fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining ticket to be dismissed.
Yes, Judge.
It's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine, Mr. Roberts. Can you have that fine paid by November 18th or November 11th? No, November 15th. Can you have it paid by then?
Yeah, 15. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you're all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the
Hello?
Yes, you're next, Mr. Daniels. This is People versus
Okay,
George
okay. I'm sorry. I didn't want to interrupt. I apologize. This is new to me.
That's okay. This is the People versus George Daniels, ticket number P1236548, count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. George Daniels. Sir, please state your name.
George A. Daniels.
Mr. Daniels will be pleading guilty to no registration, Judge, or improper plates. Excuse me.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Daniels.
Sorry.
Raise your right hand, sir.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the court and Ms. Robinson about your case and your rights.
Correct.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Correct.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Correct.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Correct.
Knowing that you waive your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Correct.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of August 8, 2021 at 5:24 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Jefferson and Fisher in the city of Detroit?
That were?
Were you driving a 2015 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes, I were.
And was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
It was unregistered.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge. Stipulate the probable cause.
Also satisfied, will amend the count to improper place, will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by November 15th, Mr. Daniels?
Yes, I can.
Okay, did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the People versus Myrtle Durham. Ticket number P1253740, count one, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1303260, count one, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P1253711, count one, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Count two, drive while license suspended. Ticket number P646716, count one, improper place. Count two, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1303251, count one, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Count two, drive while license suspended. Ticket number 194484999, count one, no operator's license on person. And ticket number P646717, count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson. I'm appearing on behalf of Miss Myrtle Durham. Ma'am, please state your name.
Myrtle Durham.
And Judge, Ms. Durham will be pleading guilty and to one count of failure to display and will be pleading responsible to 2 civil infractions, no proof of insurance.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Durham. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, I have.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, they have not.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Going to direct your attention to the date of September 21st, 2021 at 1:04 on that date and time.
Yes.
Hold on one second. Direct your attention to September 21st, 2021 at 1:04 p.m. on that date and time where you at near Van Dyke and Palmetto in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2004 Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge.
Okay, the court is also satisfied. Will amend that count to fail to display. Do you stipulate to the face of the tickets for P1253740 and P10360?
Yes, Judge.
To the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Judge.
Sentencing, so. Okay, so I'm gonna, you have the, so the no proof of insurance, that fine is $195. You got 2 of them. So it's gonna be a total of $390. I will waive the fine for the, fail to display. So you don't have to pay that, you'll just have to pay the $390. Because this is a civil infraction, or these are civil infractions, they're usually due in 14 days. Can you have the $390 paid in 14 days?
What day would that be?
So that would be the 28th of October.
I can't do that. I needed more time.
Okay, so November 11th.
Not on there.
You win?
November 11th.
I can do that.
Just on the one.
So it's due on November 11th. If you don't pay it, they're gonna go into default and then you'll incur late fees and the case, it won't close. Did you have any questions?
Yes.
There you go.
My question is, so if I'm paying the 390 for the,
I was just telling you to make the dog bark. That's all.
I was,
Texas. Okay, go ahead.
I'm paying for the no proof of insurance, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's the only ticket I'm paying, or,
Pam, you have two no proofs of insurance.
Okay.
So you're paying to those. I waived the
Okay.
fine for the misdemeanor.
okay, I understand.
Any other questions?
No, that's it.
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am. Good luck
All
to
right.
you.
All right, thank you.
This is People versus Dennis Dillard, ticket number Z808472. Count one, I think it's operating while intoxicated. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Dennis Dillard. Sir, please state your name.
Dennis Dillard.
And Judge, Mr. Dillard is requesting trial by jury.
Okay, so we don't have any dates right now, so what I'll do is I'll set this for final pretrial in 3 months.
Mhm.
But then I'm wondering, he probably needs to have counsel appointed, right?
I would say so, Judge.
So we'll come back. We'll come back on December 1st. And can you interview him?
Yes.
With that? Thank you. So we'll do that and then get it back to us. And so we'll come back on December 1st at 8:35. Hopefully counsel will be appointed for you by then. And then we can, we'll end up probably setting it for another date in January, where then we could give you a jury trial date, because I don't have any more jury trial dates this year.
Okay.
Okay?
And Mr. Dillard,
Go ahead, Ms. Rob.
I was just gonna say what you were gonna say, Judge.
You can go back in room number 10, and Ms. Robinson will be with you.
Okay.
And so your next day is December 1st at 8:35.
Okay.
All right, this is the People versus Jermaine Duplessis, ticket number P1295262, count one, pass on right, count two, disregard traffic control device, ticket number P1295261, count one, no insurance misdemeanor, count two, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jermaine Duplessis. Sir, please state your name.
Jermaine Duplessis.
And Judge, today there's an offer. He would like to take the offer, which is pleading to an amended civil infraction. That would be the disregard traffic device. The 3-point would be amended to a 1.6 to 10 over the speed limit. The balance of the charges, the 2 misdemeanors and the other civil infraction would be dismissed. We will stipulate to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea, and we will stipulate to probable cause for dismissals.
All right, so the court will obviously accept the stipulation and will amend count 2 on ticket number ending in 262 to limited access 6 to 10, and then we'll dismiss the remaining.
Politicians started making laws and shit, like.
Without prejudice. Mr. Ryder, you need to mute yourself or get somewhere quiet. All right, so we'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a fine of $135 because this is a civil infraction, it's due in 14 days. Mr. Duplessis, can you have this paid by October 28th?
Yes, I can.
If you don't pay it, it's gonna go into default, so you're incur late fees, and the case won't close. Do you have a question, sir?
You said it's 100 and how much? 30? I couldn't hear
It's
you.
$135.
I'll go pay that. I'll go pay it Monday. I got you. No problem, man.
Okay, you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, appreciate you. Thank you again, Ms. Robin.
You're welcome.
All right.
right, this is the People versus Carlton Ryder, ticket number P12099929, count one, improper, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P125239, count one, fails to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Ticket number P1299348, count one, drive while license suspended. And ticket number 214975562, count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please have your names for the record.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Carlton Ryder. Sir, please state your name.
You're muted, Mr. Ryder. You were making too much noise, so you had to unmute yourself. And you should not be in a moving vehicle, so you need to unmute yourself and the vehicle needs to stop. Look on the bottom left-hand corner to unmute yourself, sir.
I'm a passenger.
The vehicle, you still should not be in a moving vehicle.
Hold on, right quick. They said I can't be in no moving vehicle.
All right, say your name for the record.
Carlton Ryder.
And Judge, there's an offer that if Mr. Ryder would plead to failure to display, that would be amended from driving while license suspended. The balance of the misdemeanors would be, the balance of the charges would be dismissed.
You want to do that, Mr. Ryder?
Yes.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Could you repeat that?
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 16, 2022 at 11:58 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 7 Mile Ferguson in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2014 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Satisfied.
Court officer satisfied, will amend the count to fail to display. You seek the next proper causes to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Judge.
If they're dismissed without prejudice, we'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine, Mr. Ryder. Can you have that fine paid by November 15th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
And Judge, on a different matter, Mr. Freddie Robinson, he was on here. Somehow he was disconnected.
Yeah, we'll just give him, we'll give him December 1st.
Okay.
Do you want to set up a pre-trial or a bench trial?
A bench trial would be fine.
We can set up a, okay.
And then he'll get notice in the mail, I imagine, and
Yeah,
then, and excuse me, Your Honor, Mr. Dillard, could you unmute?
Yeah.
Sir, can you please return to the breakout room? There should be, if you touch your screen, there should be like a window pane, a 4 square shape. Touch that, it'll take you back. I need to speak with you briefly, sir.
Oh, for window pane. I don't
That's
see
the way
that.
I describe it. That's how it is on my phone. In the left, it should have a way for you to return back.
Yeah, I don't.
if you tap your screen, you don't see where it says join?
No.
If the court is inclined to turn off the YouTube, I can get his phone number.